Hi my friends, this is Ian with a short video on how to build a simple splash or capture page. Okay, if you add a form, a capture form to a splash page, it becomes a capture page, not a splash page. But a splash page should be small. Usually, let us say we use these in traffic exchanges and the like, and because of all these games and things like that people play nowadays in these traffic exchanges, the advertising seems to get smaller and smaller and smaller. So you need something small, compact and to the point. Okay, so we're going to show you how to use that. Now, how did I get to this page? Well, if you are a Pro member, you click on Pro Member Tools and it will bring you to this page, and then you scroll down and we've got the simple splash and capture page builder there. Now this is the ultimate splash and capture page just here. So if you want to build something more elaborate, then that is the tool for you. But this is for simple splash pages and capture pages. Okay, so we click on there, and what we do is create a title first of all, and it's a reference, so that when you create a number, and you can create unlimited with Buildabizonline if you are a Pro Executive member, then you're going to need a reference. So I'm going to put this is a new splash page. That's all I'm doing just for this demo for you. Okay, so what we do now is click save, and that will end up at the bottom of this list. But first of all, it says it was successful. Please click here to choose a template. So this is what makes this really simple to use. We've got a number of pre-built templates. You can see those here. Okay. Now some of these will have a call to action on there, in the guise of, say, click here, some words, or it will have a button on there. Okay, so let's have a look. Which one can we use? I'm going to use this Ferrari. I'm going to click on there, and I've got to go all the way down. So we call this a radio button. So select the one that you want in that little radio button, come all the way down and click update the template. Okay, now when it's done its bit, which it has now, and my internet's a bit slow today for some reason, then you can come all the way down to the bottom, click here to start editing. Okay, now what are you going to call this? Now this here, this title, will actually be shown in the tab. You know, when you're looking at various tabs, let me just show you. I'm looking at tabs here. Can you see the one on the left hand side, buildabizonline.com, and the other tab is members area. So whatever you put, come down my beauty, right, that'll do just there. Right, okay, whatever you put here will end up in that tab. So I'm just going to put my new splash page. Okay, that will do. I'm also going to use that for a description, I think. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to go over that, highlight that, and I'm going to right click and then click paste. My new splash page for Buildabizonline. Okay, so I don't promote too many things, so I run out of ideas of what to make a splash page about, you know, a theme. So all I ever do is promote Buildabizonline. That's possibly why I've got more members than anybody else, because I don't join other programs. I stopped doing that a long time ago. I concentrate on what works for me. Now when it comes to keywords, I'm going to teach you something now that you possibly do know, but I'm going to add the word Buildabizonline line, and then I'm going to put a comma. Okay, and then what you need to do is put a space, and then I'm going to put join today, and that is what we call a key phrase. So more than one word is a key phrase, but you still need to add a comma and then a gap. Okay, so key words are just one word, key phrases are more than one word. So I'll show you more than one word slightly more. So for your affiliate marketing tools. Okay, and then I'm going to finish it with a question mark, and that way I can add more later on. Okay, so I tend to leave this, but some templates, when you add something to there, it will end up at the top of your splash page. Okay, now this is where the content goes, but what I'm going to do, now I've done the, what we call the meta, this is the meta information. Oh, and incidentally, whatever you put in this box, if you use one of our call to action templates with either a button on it or a click here, that is the program that will be showed. Okay, so whatever you're advertising there, that is where your affiliate link will go. But what I'm going to do, every time I do something, I'm going to click update settings. Okay, now let's have a look at what our splash page looks like right now. Okay, so we come down to the bottom and you can click here to see that page now. Okay, when it's ready, as I say, my internet is a bit slow today. There we have it. Okay, so what we've got is a container here to put your wording in. Okay, we have to have the GDPR compliance there, and we've also got Build Unlimited splash capture pages. Now that will pick up your username when you're using this. Can you see bottom left of the video? That is my username. So if you build one in your splash page builder, it will always reflect yours. Okay, so what we need some information here. Now what I'm going to do is cheat, and I don't think that any program owner worth their salt will mind if you pinch some of the wording from one of their web pages, or indeed another page, the home page or something like that. And I'm going to put here, I'm going to copy this, okay, to put on mine. So I'm going to highlight it, right click it and click copy, and I'm going to come back over to the members area. Okay, and I'm going to choose to put this in the center, so I click that center tab just there, and I'm now going to click Control V, and that should paste it in there, but you can't see it because it's in white. So what I've got to do is alter this now. I'm clicking on there and I'm going to click black. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put that there. That's better in the center. That's what I said I was going to do. Okay, so what we can do, we can either click here to save, or right down at the bottom as you saw me do earlier. It doesn't make no difference. So I'm just going to click there to show you it doesn't make no difference. Now if we go over to the splash page, we can say, well, it's not altered, it's still the same. But if you there we have it. Okay, so what we've got, I left some of the text, helping you to work smarter, not harder. Click here. Now as I said, whatever you add in that top box just at the top, let's go back here. So let me show you this. If I put in there, just to show you, google.com, and I click save, either there or the bottom, if we now go there and refresh this, Okay, now when you hover over there, it's waiting for it to cache. That's good. Okay, you can see it down the bottom, google.com. Well, that would be silly, me advertising Google. So what I'm going to do, we are secure site, so it's https colon, which is the two little dots one over the other, / buildabizonline.com, and then we have a question mark and then my username. In fact, I'm going to promote the team page, team build. Okay, I just use that, and then if people join this and join under the team build account and upgrade, I can give them to whoever I want then. Okay, so there we have it. That's as simple as that. I'll tell you what I'll do to make this pop, as I call it, not harder. I'm going to just make that yellow. Okay, and I'm going to italicize it, and there we have it. So this is just a simple splash page using our simple splash page builder. Okay, now for more complex ones you can build your own templates, and that will show you in another video. Okay, now let me just have a look at that there, and we should have, once it's refreshed, as I say, it's really working slow. There we have it. Hoping you work smarter, not harder. Okay, so that will do. I've chose yellow because my car's yellow, and that's it. Really simple, and people can see that in traffic exchanges. Doesn't matter so much about the car. They probably won't, because of all these advertising and all these games that they play in traffic exchanges now. But if you sent that to a person that you know, that will work. So there we have it, how to use a simple splash page. And you can alter this anytime you wish by coming over here and editing the words. You can do whatever you want. So there we have it. Okay, so that's the end of this video. Thanks for listening, and bye for now. We'll see you in another video. Incidentally, this, as you can see, has opened up in YouTube. It would be good if you're a brand new member, or even an older member that's not done it yet, to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way, when I add training videos, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, so every time you log into your YouTube, you will see a notification saying, you click on that bell and it will say Ian's adding a new video. Okay, bye for now.